And I know the minute that we got the ad running, I mean, the phone started running immediately. I actually kind of had to squeeze a few people in. My name is Dr. Stacy Testimonial. I practice in Washington State. I'm a chiropractor, and I run a chiropractic massage rehab clinic.
When you discovered Get Spanish Patients, what was your biggest fear about getting it started?
Yeah, so biggest fear would be, obviously it not working or not being successful, or, there's been a number of times I've tried other types of marketing and really haven't found anything that has delivered, what it's supposed to do. So.
And now that you've started with using Get Spanish Patient services, what's changed? Like, how do you feel about those fears that you had before?
Well, I think, one of my biggest issues has always been making sure you've got enough new patients. And, with the program, so we started, I think it was the last week of May. So it was right before Memorial Weekend. And I know the minute that we got the ad running, I mean, the phone started running immediately. I actually kind of had to squeeze a few people in. So I don't have a worry for new patients anymore. If anything, I have a worry of where we're going to fit them. And there's times where we've had to turn the ad off for a week because between scheduling the new patients and making sure that we've got reported findings times for them. So, that's a good problem to have, but that would be the problem we deal with now.
If you were back in time and talked to yourself before you did this program, what would you say?
If I was to go back in time and tell myself, obviously I would tell myself, I would do the program again. When the email came through and kind of talking about the program in the past, if I was busy or had, 5 other things going on, I may have just dismissed it or, but at the moment I was motivated, things were slow and, and just the way it was worded, there was really no risk to just chat and see what they could do. And then once we saw what the potential was, it made a lot of sense. So I would probably would have had myself do it earlier if it existed. So, no complaints there.